So real quick, before we jump into the exhaust sound comparison from stock to the MBRP exhaust, here's a quick video of how the car sits completely stock. Just take note of the wheel gap space between the tires and the fenders. And in a second, I'm going to show you another video on screen after installing the Eibach springs right now. And this is how it sits on the Eibach Pro Kit springs, which we have available on drivendistrict.com, as well as the exhaust you're about to hear. I think in the past video I said that it's sport line springs from Eibach, but I just rechecked the product number and it's actually the Pro Kit. It's a conservative drop, just enough to kind of get rid of that wheel gap and give it a more aggressive stance, but not too much where you got to worry about scraping everywhere. I also have a new set of wheels coming in, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Now here's another quick angle of when the car was completely stock and how it sits. And now again with the Eibach Pro Kit springs. And for you more visual folks, here's just a static photo of it stock. And following that will be with the Eibach Pro Kit springs. Now here's a quick peek of the MBRP exhaust. I got mounted burnt titanium tips, and keep in mind when you get this exhaust, you're gonna receive two center pieces when you buy it. One is a straight pipe, one is a resonator. I opted to keep the resonator in mind since I know the system's gonna be louder than stock anyway. If you want it even louder, you can opt for that straight pipe that comes with it. Here's a quick close-up of the tips. Now let's get into the sound comparisons and watch till the end, because I got some quick back-to-back comparisons that can give you guys a real close-up sound of both stock versus MBRP. Alright, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this sweet to the point video, a little sound comparison, stock MBRP exhaust. We got the exhaust, we got the Eibach springs, the Canon filter on drivendistrict.com. You can check it out, some merch, etc. Great way to support the channel. Stay tuned for the wheels to get put on. More stuff on the S2000. I got another car I just bought. Stay tuned, subscribe for that. Catch you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.